Hey friends, Miss Alba here. I hope you've had a good time doing Sunday school so far. Did you do any of the center activities? Those activities remind me of the big God story, especially the part that we're going through today. Did you do the hopscotch, in which you jump from square to square and maybe you skipped some squares? Well, today's big God story, we're kind of skipping over some of the big God story to get to what we're talking about today. So that's what reminds me of the hopscotch. And did you do the Simon Says? Did you walk really fast and then go in slow motion maybe? Well, part of the big God story today goes super fast. You got to really be listening because it goes fast and we're trying to cover a lot. So that's what reminds me of the big God story from Centers. And then the last one that you had the option to do was to draw a picture of something from this week. Maybe you drew an orange sky like we got to see this week, right? With all the smoke in the air and the ashes. And maybe that was kind of scary for you during that day on Wednesday when it was so dark. It was kind of creepy to me, I have to admit. But that reminds me of this part of the big God story because we're going to hear how our God is the one true God and he has all power. And so when we have worries or concerns, we can always go to him and talk about it. He has all the power. So it just makes sense that we would talk to him about it. So let's listen and watch the next video and hear this part of the big God story.